which involves the absorption of light by a receptor that results in the activation of that receptors and also the initiation of sequence of chemical reactions that leads to the general plant responses such as seed germination, stem elongation, promotion of rooting, formation of storage organs, etc. But most important photoperiodic response is perhaps initiation and further development of flowers. In 1920, Gardner and Allard first hypothesized the idea of photoperiodism while working with the soybean glycine max plants, found that the plants flower only in September, even if they were sown in May, June or August. During one experiment, plots of soybean were planted at 2 weeks interval throughout the spring and early summer. Surprisingly, all the plants flowered at approximately same time, no matter what their age was. Based upon results, the scientists postulated that an environmental factor was triggered the flowering. Later, Gardner and Allard studied the flowering pattern of tobacco plants, Nicotiana tabacum, growing in the Maryland state of USA. The seeds of Maryland narrowleaf plants are germinated in beds during February-March and transplanted in fields during April-May, when the day length is about 14 hours. The plants flower during the late summer when the day length was 12 hours. They observed a taller plant with larger leaves that was Mammoth, Maryland, and they found that they did not flower throughout the season. The plants flowered in winter during the shorter day lengths. When plants were germinated in winter in greenhouse and transferred to the fields during the spring, the plants were smaller and developed flowers. However, when the seeds are germinated in spring and transplanted to the fields, the plants grew vegetative. In another experiment, Gardner and Allard grew plants during the summer and covered with the dark chambers. They expose the plants with shorter day length equivalent to the winter, such as 12 hours. The plants flowered in the summer. They also found that plants remain vegetative when the light period was increased during the winter. Gardner and Allard concluded that length of the light and dark period within a 24-hour cycle is a significant factor in promoting flowering.